Okay, hi guys, I'm back again, and I was doing a few Musical.lys. I was wondering how you post Musical.ly, but I want to tell you guys all today how to do Musical.ly. How to do a YouTube video. So what you're going to do is go onto the camera, make a video, make sure it's really good, and show your sister or your brother, and they'll tell you if it's good or not, and then you go to YouTube, and then it would show a YouTube little up thing that shows like a thing pointing up, and then you press that, and then you pick your mom's thing, and then you find your video, then you click on it, and then you put the title, the description, privacy or not privacy, and then you put your tag, and then see the little airplane, and that means give it to the whole entire world, and then you're done. I was kidding. Okay, we are moving around because I'm gonna go get a burrito. No, seriously, I'm gonna get a burrito. I need to pause it. Okay, here's my burrito. Says Rev. Says Rev. Revolution. However you do it. However you do it. I'm confused. Okay. I need to pause the video again, and I'll see. This is so good. Cheese, pepperoni, all that good stuff. It's so good. You can see right there. Right there. Right there being where I'm pointing at. The burrito's pointing at it. See where it's covering at? See the shelf? That's what I'm talking about. That has all the food. But it's not where I got it. I got it from the fridge, but you can't see it. The fridge is right there. No. Right there. And today, Panzer is playing around. Watching TV. I know this is a boring TV show because we do not have cable. We only have regular. We have that. All we have. That's all we really have. Yummy. Goodbye.